Hello, today I'm going to be opening this re-ment display case. There we go. It looks like it has lots of fun things in, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, yeah, that's everything in the box. Let's see what we have. Can you even see what I'm doing? Okay, so these are the shelves. These are the paper bits that are not stickers. That's what these are. These are stickers for the counter, and these are stickers for, I don't know, but I will work it out. So these are both the stickers. I'm gonna go with this one, I think. Either one of these. I'm gonna go for the brown or the flowers. And then there's this great big, it's wrapped really solidly. Let's just boop, get it out. So is this better to be wrapped solidly than if it arrives broken, and it's not like you can send it back? Oh, this looks good. Look at this. Can you see? Am I too close? No, you can't see. This is amazing. Look at this. Look at that. It's got a drawer. Oh, it's got a drawer for keeping things in. It's got dividers. It's so cool. Alright, so let's put these in. Ooh, yeah. That's so good because you can keep all the other little bits in. Right, let's get the shelves. Let's pop the shelves in because they look cool. Oh, look at this. That looks fantastico. Oh, it's going to be hard to put all the stickers on. Oh, I love it already. Right, let's put stickers on. Ah, don't stick to yourself. Don't stick to yourself. All right. Ah, you bastard. No. Oh, that come out wonky. I want gift wrap. It's my shop. Gotta put gift wrap. What I'll do first is one shelf and one of these risings, just like they have on the front of the box. So I'm just going to cut these out now. Okay, so I had to stop because my camera died and it's still dying. I think I really need to get a new one. So I'll cut these bits out. There's this sign and this sign, this one and this one. I'm going to use this one because it matches the stickers I've stuck onto the case. There's these, which I think are risers, little tiny risers for the bowl dishes. I'll just show you the instructions. I'm going to keep these for later. I'm going to put them in this drawer, which is very, very handy. This, I'm not sure what this was meant to be. Maybe just a placement mat or something like that, but that's going to go in there too. We've got these takeout drinks and cafe menu, and then there's all these seasonal, I don't know what that says, bestseller, and then all the prices. Here it is, my little cafe set. When I put this into its display stand, I'll have a few more of the stickers up, but so far so good. It's really coming along as a little cafe. This chair and table was also re-ment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll show you soon again. Whee! There we go. Whoa. So much wrap. Do you want the light? Stick all the bits in. I hope you enjoyed. Ah! I need a bigger light box. What's going on?